Why, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. It's grease lightning.
Grease lightning. Grease lightning. Grease lightning. Grease lightning. I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control. Cause the power you're supplying, it's electrifying.
You better shape up, 'cause I need a man. And my heart is set on you. You better shape up, you better understand. To my heart I must be true.
Nothing left for me to do. You're the one that I want. The one that I want. The one that I want. That's greased lightning.
It's an overhead lifter, it's a 4-barrel quad, oh yeah.
This way.
Fuel injection, crop and
guys need to
chrome,
spread
and
out.
Dodge, oh yeah.
No.
With the 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door. You know that I ain't bragging, she's a real dragon wagon. Grease lightning. Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the hip-lap trials. You are supreme, the chicks are screaming.